Hey, second graders, good to see you again. This week for social studies, we're going to continue to talk about the impact of new technology and the impact of new inventions during this pandemic. So, again, what's incredible about this time is that due to societal need, many new inventions are being created every single day. And the one we're going to be focusing on this week is the hygiene hook. So, with that, we're going to learn about how to learn about a topic, research and gather information, and then take that information so that we can write an informational paragraph so that we can inform our audience about all these new and exciting things. So, today for day one, we are going to be learning about how to learn about a topic and then also how to take notes. It's okay if you missed Tuesday's table where we had a little challenge with the hygiene hook and you were introduced to what this amazing invention is. Today we're going to be watching a video that's going to talk to us about this invention, and it's important when you're researching a topic to gather information from multiple resources. So typically if we were in our regular classroom, we'd be reading, we'd be watching videos, we'd be researching probably in computer lab. We're a little limited with what we can do here, but I'm excited to share this video with you and then also the process in how you can take notes. So if you have not done so, second graders, go ahead, grab a notebook. You're going to see that I've already watched the video and taken some notes, but while you're watching and listening to the video, just be thinking, what's surprising, what's new, what's interesting to you? And those are the kind of facts and the kind of things that we want to record because that's what our audience wants to hear about when we write. Then after we're done listening to the video, I'm going to take some of my thoughts and I'm going to type them on the screen so you can see what I was thinking. So go ahead, pause the video, go grab what you need, come right back and we'll get started. All right, so hopefully you have your tools. I'm going to hit play and we will listen along to the video.
Hello friends. This is Tanish Patel. I hope you all are safe at home. We have something which will provide you more hygiene life and will become the most important part of your life. We have made one hygiene hook to tackle such viruses like COVID-19. This pocket-sized gadget will change your habit to operate doors, elevators and many more with your hands. Let's see what it is and how it works. We are focusing on design something simple as much as possible, easy to handle, manufacture and easily replaceable. One hook is provided and you have to grip it with your finger. You can operate the door handles and other parts by using that slot. We have provide one tank into which you can fill sanitizer amp. For that, one button in yellow color is provided at the top to open and close the tank. You can use that button for other applications as well, like opening windows. All right,
so already something that is really surprising or interesting to me, and this is new, compared to the article that we read about the hygiene hook on Tuesday, that this specific hygiene hook, because there's lots of different prototypes or models, but this one also includes hand sanitizer. So that's definitely something that I'm writing down because, wow, that's super interesting. I never even thought of that as being a part of this hygiene hook as well. Some other things that I've written down that I think are interesting and important for my readers to know about is that it's pocket sized, so that means it's easy to carry, and then it's also just a really simple and easy thing to be carrying. So go ahead at any time during the video, friends. You can always pause, or what's great about this format is after you're done listening to my screencast, you can always go back and listen to the video over and over again to record as many notes. I've listened to it probably about 3 times and I'm still writing down notes. Let's get back to the video.
Main focus is to ensure other safety as well. So, one nozzle in green color is provided at the front to spray the sanitizer on any part whenever needed by pushing that red button, which has simple spring mechanism, which will make that part germ amp virus free. So even if anybody is handling that part without this gadget, he or she will be completely safe. Our another target was this gadget shouldn't be virus carrier. So we have provide one flip cover. First you put that part inside that cover and keep it in your pocket. For actual application we have made one prototype. Now let's see how actually it works. produce, manufactured, and distribute, you can produce it with the help of 3D printer. Our focus is to make it cheaper so it can help people from grassroots of rural and urban areas in our country. Easy to carry and small enough to fit in a pocket. Easy to clean. Made from non-porous material so it is reusable. Long life and easily replaceable. And many more. This gadget could be a game changer. And stay home, stay safe. Let's fight this virus. Let's do it together.
All right, we're going to stop the video there so we can get now to our notes. So like I said, second graders, I've watched the video about 3 different times, and I encourage you to do that as a researcher as well, because just like books, when we reread a book multiple times, we learn something new every single time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to talk to you about the notes that I'm recording. And what's awesome, and what I always tell my second graders, is the more notes that you have, the better. Because once we get to the actual writing process, you're going to have a ton of information to pull from. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be recording in a list format. These don't have to be full sentences. I'm just getting out all of my ideas onto paper. And remember, I'm recording what I thought was surprising, interesting, or new information to me that I think that my audience might want to learn about. So remember some of the things I said, they were pocket size. It's a simple design. Oops. Simple design. Another thing, they can include sanitizer. That is really cool because that can keep others safe as well. So if they don't have a hook, look at me. I'm helping out those friends as well. Some other interesting facts: the virus can live on stainless steel for up to 3 days. The gadget comes in a variety of sizes and different things. It can work on more than just doors. So they said like elevators. If you saw in the video, they showed light switches, pushing buttons. Some other things that I thought were interesting is that the device itself is non-porous. So that means that it's reusable, and it also isn't going to absorb those or get icky, if that makes sense. Let's see. Oh, it's cheap. You can make your own. As you can tell, we made some earlier this week with our little challenge. What are some other things that I thought were interesting? Did I put? Yep, it's pocket sized. Simple. It can protect yourself as well as others. I thought that was really important. I think that was, oh, and that it lasts a long time. So second graders, what you should do now is go ahead, use your notebook, or maybe you're typing. It's up to you how you want to do that, but go ahead, re-listen to the video as many times as you need to and record anything that you think is surprising, new, or interesting that you think your audience would want to know. When you're done with that, go ahead and jump to day 2, and we're going to learn how we're going to take all that information and put it into a paragraph form so we can write to inform our audience. I'll see you on day 2.